Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make Gamepass in Roblox Mobile. It's pretty simple. Now you cannot do this using the Roblox app. You need to do it using your browser. So open up any browser you want, and on your browser you want to search for this, create.roblox.com. Once you search for this, it's going to straight up take you to the official website of Roblox. Now once you're in this page, which is Creator Hub of Roblox, over here where it says experiences, it's going to show you all the game which you have. Now you need to own a game, or you need to own a world in a game in order to create a Game Pass. So I own one of this world. So I'm going to click on one of this right under experience, and it's going to bring me over here. Now once I'm over here, what I need to do is at the top left corner there is 3 line right beside dashboard. I need to click on it and click on this option called associated items. Once I click on associated items, you can see this option called passes right beside badges. Click on passes, and at the bottom you can see create a pass button. Click on it. Now from over here you can create yourself a pass. You can name yourself. So I'm going to name it Fame Pass. It's going to be Fame Pass with description. It's free. Now you can write any name and any description you want. Click on create pass and your game pass will be created. So that's how we guys can make a game pass in Roblox using your mobile. Hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide. I'll see you guys next time.